what I've been working on.
Yeah.
But I wanted something whereby if someone is supposed to click on the see more, is able to get something.
Valid.
Pardon?
You want something valid, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me
So
try.
So currently you're saying that your button is invalid. If you click, it does nothing.
Yes.
So
did you add a link to the button?
Listen. Most definitely, because it's here.
Because ideally, if you want it to work, you have to add a link to that button. Like for example, if you want to link it like to the Club Tangaza website, then you'll have to add a button. I mean an
Link.
entry.
this is how I did it. Like as if I was creating a URL like an href. I used href and then I wrote it. Now you like show the href within the button tags.
So are you sharing your screen currently?
Okay,
it's me sharing actually.
Okay, please stop sharing and then first give an example of what he's trying to stress out. So what he's trying to say is once you look at my code, you see that there's a div at the top, another div, the URL for the lists. Now, if you want it to be valid, then you'll have to add something around here in the href. So if I can show you my output so far, this is how it looks like. But I haven't put any links to any of these buttons. So if I click, you just see it refreshing, but it doesn't lead to anything else. So if I hit pricing, it just won't go somewhere. But imagine I say maybe the link is www. Then it's just this.
Do not come out. Blessing.
Yeah.
Misspelled it. It's supposed to be single U in Club Tangaza.
So now you can see it changes gradually. So I think the problem with your code is it doesn't have references. So
let me share what I did exactly, because for me it worked. It even brought me to the page that I wanted.
Okay.
So this was my page. I showed this href. I also wrote this updates.html, and then the button will be called updates. So I showed this href within the button tags which are here. That's all that I did. And then
Can you please show us your output on this? First, I'll take a look at it.
Okay, let me do so. So you can add styles to your button. This is the button. It brings me here, which is also my file. That's what.
Something familiar to what I wanted.
So I've done some research in a few seconds, and I found that the reason why my page wasn't linking to anything was that it didn't have the HTTPS. So now if I share again and I try refreshing and I go to home, then this time it will lead me to the Tangaza website.
Yeah.
So the only problem with your code was that it didn't have any
Link
reference.
Okay.
wasn't being linked in the
So
scene.
that was the main one, the main problem.
So can we work on it?
Yeah.
You can.
So should I type in from here where I have the hashtags?
Please share.
Oh, so let's get back to phone.
Okay, let's go to your.
This is where it is.
Oh, not the style. Your real
What?
your real code, not the CSS, but the HTML.
Actually, my CSS starts from this side, and if you start where the code starts from, it starts from here where you're seeing body, div class header. That's where basically it starts up to the finding.
I'm not seeing that. I can't see it. You're still
You're
in
not
the start to CSS.
Pardon?
All I'm seeing is the style to CSS.
Let me click on your share. Here.
Yeah. Okay. So, why do you want to add your button? Why do you want your button to appear?
My button is on see more, whereby like what you did, you get? That's something familiar which I want.
Yeah. So, we've told it that's button plus button. So, okay. Inside, okay, add an anchor tag within the button.
Here.
Not the span, whatever thing. Just add the anchor tag.
Like here.
Okay, got the end of the button, the angle bracket for the first button.
Pardon? This one here.
No, this first one. Where you are, but just the angle bracket between span that thing.
Here.
Where the span thingy is.
Here.
Yeah, there.
Okay.
Add an anchor tag, open and say A.
Should I put the
Extra?
extra?
Yeah.
Okay.
So from there now open. Okay. Where do you want it to be linked to? Which of them?
Let me get for you some of the hints because I hadn't yet completed.
Yeah.
Let me just get for you something. This is what I was first working on, the side and middle and the other side. So should I copy this there?
No.
Pardon?
Just what's the name of this file? What's the name of this file?
This file.
Yeah.
This one is just where I was just putting my ideas and trying to see, like I erase something, I put it back so that I bring out something more better.
Okay. Let's just put any of the HTML files. Let's select any of the HTML files that we can use just for trying.
Okay, let me select this one.
No, like the name of the file, the HTML file. For example, like you say, for example, like how I used it, updates.html was my file,
Okay.
my HTML file. So that when I click, it will bring me to that file. You have a file called mywebsite.html.
Not quite.
Okay.
Okay, like this is just something new.
Yeah.
Right.
Like a name, just any HTML file you've ever written and saved on your PC. Just
My PC.
what's its name? Just any name.
Let me first see. Let me first check my PC. Let me first check my documents. If I could get one, this one better. This one. Maybe we go with this one for the minutes.
Okay.
So should I write minutes for the first meeting, right?
Okay, what's the name of this file? Trio13.html is what you should write.
Okay.
Yeah. That.
I close.
So put the closing whatever, yeah, there. Write it there.
Okay.
Then inside those brackets where you should put your span stuff. The
Here.
span.
You cut that
Stuff of,
in
copy
tag
the
and
stuff of the span, whatever.
I cut the span.
The whole span between the first, that's,
From here
yeah,
up to here.
yes. Cut it. Then go here in between where they expect you to write for anchor tags.
Okay.
Yeah, then Control V. Yeah, there. Now let's save and look at the output. Still refreshing. Yeah, so click on it. Then bring it.
So I should first work on a file, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Work
Thank
on
you
a
very
separate file.
Okay. I've now got it.
Then you can
Okay.
just add your styles if you want to.
Right, but what if I have
If you have,
okay. So this if because I remember I have a list here like
Yeah.
of products, images. So should I put everything
if you
like
have a,
okay like everything should be in one file, right?
I'm not sure. Let me try it out here from my side.